Welcome to Fentor. I'm at the Harley dealership. Still 2020, so we are stuck bringing our own coffee. And look, in the distance there, all the clothing is roped off. So no chance of me spending any money on accessories or leather jackets and things. So you may recall from my chip run video, the voltage regulator was looking like shit. Cue video coming up. Okay, it's got a bit of shit on it, but you can see that the paint alley is corroding, forcing the paint off. Shite design. They're taking a look at that. Now, speaking to one or two other people on Facebook, they've been told to fuck off by their dealerships when they took their voltage reg in with the same complaint. Will I get the same treatment? I'll let you know shortly when they tell me the news. Just finished at Harley Davidson Newmarket. Stopped on this quiet road. So, was I told to fuck off? Or did they fix the voltage regulator? Let's have a look. I'm gonna have to get on my knees for this. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Fixed, not fuck off. Also, was having a rattling from the fuel caps. They put a new one on, which is another nice warranty touch. All in all, thumbs up to Newmarket Harley Davidson. So if you want a Harley dealer who looks after you when you have a warranty claim on your voltage regulator, go to Newmarket Harley. Thanks for watching, guys. See you very soon. Bye.